Hi everybody, welcome to our Facebook page. In this video, we are going to make a dragonfly using this fresh leaf. First, take a green leaf and tear a small portion from its center like this. Now we are going to tie a knot using both its part like this. Look how we are doing here in the video. Again tie a knot like this and look, you will get a shape like this. Then we are going to cut another piece of green leaf and then we are going to put it over the knot like this. Hold it tightly and again tie a knot and fix it with it, and look, it is almost ready. Now we are going to make the head of the dragonfly by rolling this another piece of green leaf. Roll it like this and look, it is ready. Now put it in between the shape and pull it tightly and look, it is ready. You can also make its abdomen and wings and look, it's done. You can make creative things using green leaf. Let's learn in this video. We are making a grasshopper here using this green leaf. Pick a green leaf and make 3 portions and start tying a knot like this. Leave a hole and a space at the starting like this, and then we are going to start tying knot like we are doing here. Look like this. Now take another piece of green leaf and again tie a knot using the remaining portion like this. We have to join both of them together and look, it is almost ready now. Then we are going to tie more knots and you will get a pattern like this. After that, we are going to tear the leaves like this. We are making the legs of the grasshopper and look, it is almost ready now. Pull the space downwards like this and look, it is ready. Then we are going to again tie a knot at the head and look, it is done. In this video, we are going to make a beautiful rose flower using green leaf. First, pick a leaf like this and make 2 portions and then start rolling it like this. Make a cross portion and then we are going to start rolling it. Hold it from one corner and look, you will get a beautiful flower like this. You can adjust the shape by rolling it and look, it is almost ready now. Start rolling the leaf and look, it is looking something like this. If you want more videos like this, so do let me know in the comment section below. And look, your rose flower is ready. Now we are going to tie a knot like this, roll it and look, you'll get a neat look of this rose. You can make more such rose flowers and put it in a vase. They will look beautiful. Thank you so much for watching this video.